Di hadapan Komite Perbankan, Ketua Federal Reserve Jerome Powell tegas menyatakan bahwa The Fed akan lebih bersabar, tidak terburu-buru menyesuaikan kebijakan moneternya. Namun, Powell memberi petunjuk tetap akan membuka peluang jika mendukung ketenaga kerjaan maksimum dan target stabilitas harga The Fed. Ketua Federal Reserve Jerome Powell memberikan kesaksian perdana dari dua sesi yang terjadwal pekan ini di gedung Capitol Hill di hadapan Komite Senat Amerika Serikat untuk perbankan, perumahan, dan urusan perkotaan pada 11 Februari 2025 waktu setempat. Selanjutnya, Powell akan bertemu dengan Komite Jasa Keuangan keesokan harinya, 12 Februari 2025. Di hadapan panelis, Jerome Powell bersaksi bahwa Bank Sentral Amerika Federal Reserve akan lebih bersabar, tidak terburu-buru dalam menyesuaikan kebijakan moneternya, seiring terus menuju target pertumbuhan harga tahunan sebesar 2%.
Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. Since last September, the FOMC lowered the policy rate by a full percentage point from its peak, after having maintained the target range for the federal funds rate at 5.25% to 5.5% for 14 months. That recalibration of our policy stance was appropriate in light of the progress on inflation and the cooling in the labor market. Meanwhile, we've continued to reduce our securities holdings. With our policy stance now significantly less restrictive than it had been, and the economy remaining strong, we do not need to be in a hurry to adjust our policy stance. We know that reducing policy restraint too fast or too much could hinder progress on inflation. At the same time, reducing policy restraint too slowly or too little could unduly weaken economic activity and employment. In considering the extent and timing of additional adjustments to the target range for the federal funds rate, the FOMC will assess incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. As the economy evolves, we will adjust our policy stance in a manner that best promotes our maximum employment and price stability goals. If the economy remains strong.
Terkait kesaksian kebijakan tarif Trump, Powell menolak berkomentar dan menilai terlalu dini untuk mengukur dampak ekonomi akibat kebijakan tersebut. Powell berdalih The Fed akan mengikuti data bukan prasangka, namun prediksinya kebijakan Trump akan menekan ke atas pada inflasi. Manakala ditanya berulang kali, Powell kembali memperjelas bahwa peran The Fed bukanlah untuk ikut campur dalam politik partai.